Well, hello everybody. Hey, here we are. If you have your booklet finished and it's all done, if you are completely finished, we are starting a brand new unit on energy. Um, here is energy forms. It is in the Google Classroom under March 5th, energy forms. So I am going to click on this, and this says research internet for questions on Google Doc, answer the questions, give an example of each. Be sure to attach the assignment to this. So you want to turn it in when you're finished. So I'm going to open this up and just show you very quickly. You are going to look up what is energy transformation. You're going to research on the internet the energy transformation. What is conservation of energy? What is potential energy? What is kinetic energy? As we move down, we're going to have more. We have what is mechanical energy? Give one example. Give one example. You're going to give an example, and you're going to find a picture from the internet and stick it right here. Then, thermal energy. What is thermal energy? Find one example. Type it here, what thermal energy is. Put an example right here of a picture. Then, sound energy. Give an example. Give the definition and give an example and put the picture right here. On all of these, you will give a definition. You will give an example with a picture. And that should work on here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different ones that you are going to look up. So find out what sound energy is and so on, and put the definition. Again, give the example and put a picture right here of sound energy that you find on the internet. Okay, this is it, and it's due on Monday. So work on this if you're finished with your booklet. Get that booklet finished. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.